శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీ దేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. Suta Maharshi is disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis. In that process, Suta Maharshi is saying that, oh Maharshis, now Vidura staying in Hastinapuram, everybody is happy with Vidura. Do you all know who is Vidura? Vidura is Sakshat Yamadharmaraju. Because of Mandavya's curse, Yamadharmaraju had to come as Vidura like this. Oh Maharshis, that is why Vidura knows everyone's death time, everyone's mrityu kalam. And also, oh Maharshis, on this earth, the Surya witnesses everybody's sins and gives punishment to that. Surya's son is Yamadharmaraju. Now Yamadharmaraju came as Vidura. So that is why all Yamadharmaraju's responsibilities now Surya is taking care. Oh Maharshis, now when you look into Hastinapuram, Dharmaraju enjoying all the comforts of the kingdom. He also has got grandson Pautram Kulandharam. Parikshittu is there. Dharmaraju always accompanied with his brothers Bhratrubihi, Lokapalaihi, such a great warriors and very efficient in taking care of several things. That is how Dharmaraju, Mumude, he is happy. But he and Dhritarashtra, both of them, Avijñātaha, Kalaha, Paramadustaraha, they are not realizing that they are getting older. They are not realizing that their death is very coming close to them. That is how they are drowned in their comforts, in their happiness. Now Vidura started thinking about to do some favor to his brother Dhritarashtra. So Vidura went to Dhritarashtra and saying that, oh Raja, nirgamyatam sighram, come on, get out of this place as soon as possible. Bhayam agatam, death is very, very close to you now. Now you cannot get rid of this death. You cannot save your pranam. Now what to talk about these comforts and luxuries? Oh Raja, come on, you have seen, you made it possible that so many people got killed in Kurukshetra battle. You became so old, Atma cha jarayagrastaha, and you are blind. You are living in somebody's place, parageham upasase. You are being fed by some other people. in some other houses. And you also getting deaf. Mandaprajnascha, your memory power also going down. Visirnadantaha, you lost all your teeth. Mandagnihi, you lost all of your digestion power. Now you cannot eat, you cannot see, you cannot crunch, you cannot remember, you cannot listen. Yet you wanted to live. That is why you are living in somebody's house, and whatever they feed you are just eating and living. You are not losing hopes on your life. You wanted to live like this only. Like that, Vidura started sarcastically saying to Dhritarashtra. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Sriman Narayana.